and welcome to Cooking with LYNQ. Today we are going to be making some granola bars, super healthy. So we are first going to start with a cup of dates. We're going to blend them a little bit just to soften them. So if you need a little extra help blending the dates, you might want to add a little bit of water if they're not moist enough. So really just a touch just to help it blend. Once this is finished mixing, we're going to add the dates and the chopped nuts. So this is 1.5 cups of oats, and we're just gonna mix this all together. We're gonna set this aside, and we are going to take maple syrup and some sugar-free soft peanut butter, and we are gonna put it on the stove. So we just want to heat this up in a little saucepan for about a minute. So once we have heated our maple syrup and peanut butter, we are just going to add it to the rest of the mixture. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of powdered and apricots. And now we're going to mix everything together. So then we're going to take an 8x8 baking dish, line it with parchment paper. We have our whole mixture here, and we're just going to pour it all in. Now here, you are going to want to press it in as much as you possibly can. We want them super, super dense. So I covered it before putting it in the fridge, and now it's been about 20 minutes. So I just took it out, and I'm going to cut it. They're adorable. And here we go. I'm gonna try this. That's really yummy. It's very peanut buttery. Love it. This is a really good snack. Really, really good snack for the kids and adults. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and like our videos and let us know. Give us some comments. Let us know if this is a good recipe for you. Hope you all have a great week, and we will see you next week.